Hello everyone, I am Rolly Arpicaza. So today I will teach you how to put data from our Excel to SPSS. So there are some times that we cannot see Excel in looking in the SPSS. But now I will teach you how to put Excel in your SPSS. So go to File, then open our data from Excel. So press the data. And then we have now the data here or your files. So go to where you put your data or sample data. So I will go to document. So here you cannot see the Excel. So the files of type must be checked and press all files for you to be able your Excel uh, to find out. So we have now all files. So all files will be seen here in our document. So here is now our sample data, our Excel. So press this one, double click, and after double click, open the file. So here is now our data from Excel. So okay. So respondents 1 to 100. We have the age, the sex, the length of service, the rank, and then this is 5-point Likert scale. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until question 25. And we also have overall mean from our Excel. So this is how simple to transform or to put your Excel to SPSS for your um, data analysis later on. So that's it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.